Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe na. Ayan, ngayon ang ating gagawin. Mag-open tayo ng computer ng mga kids kasi nagbigay ng mga laptop sa mga student. So ngayon, si Melo is pre-K last year. Tapos ngayon is magiging kindergarten. So, ngayon kindergarten siya. Tapos, si Chloe naman, in-enroll din namin na pagiging pre-K 3. Pre-K 3 means 3 years old na pre-K. So, binigyan din siya ng kanyang own laptop. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is, sila yung mag-open. Actually, the school open the computer bago ibigay sa kids. Now, okay, ngayon, ready na si Melo at ready na si Chloe i-open yung kanilang laptop. But anyway, ito yung kanilang laptop. It was HP Chrome. Ayan. So ngayon i-open na nila. We never opened this. Okay, you guys can start opening your own laptop. Okay, go ahead. Put it down, Melo, and then pull it. Yeah, like that. Put it down, Melo, like this, and then you can pull it.
Wait. Oh, we need a scissors.
No, we don't need a scissors. It's already open. Just pull it.
I can't open this part of it.
It's hard. Okay. Yan. Let me see. Let me see. I will help you like Chloe. Let me see.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Pull, Chloe, pull.
Okay. Oopsie.
Oh! Ayan, nakuha na ni Chloe yung kanya.
Me help.
Ayan. Put natin away yung anilang box and... Oh, Melo, that's Chloe. Don't touch Chloe's...
I was just hoping.
Yeah. You have your own. Okay, pull your own.
Yeah.
Ito, but anyway, ito yung gagamitin nila sa school. Ayan. Slowly, that's laptop, slowly. And this is your charger.
Thanks.
Ayan.
Oh, I think. It doesn't need any plug.
Ayan.
It's just a normal computer, like police's. Mommy, what?
Look at that. Okay, open it.
Look at me, how brave I am.
And tapos, eto guys, meron siyang kasama ng letter from school. Ito yung school nila. So, merong letter na we have to read. Yan. But anyway, go ahead and open your laptop. Show it, Melo. Show it to them what it looks like. Nice! That's your laptop. And Chloe, how about yours? Show your laptop to
What?
to everybody. Yes, open it. You can open like Melo. Look at Melo. He opened his
Let me
laptop.
help you, Chloe. Thank you. Oh, it looks like it's a start.
All right, guys. Ito yung
Thank you. Give it to me.
charger nila.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Chloe, give it to me the other charger, please. The other side of charger.
Okay.
Thank you. Ito yung charger. Ayan. Tapos, saksak natin this side.
I like
Ito.
this too.
Yeah, itong charger ni Chloe. Alright, that's yours. And let me show the laptop. And ito yung laptop, guys. It's HP. Yan siya. HP tapos Chrome siya dyan, guys. Yan. But anyway, lahat ng kids na nandito, it's bibigyan ng their own laptop. Tapos pag inopen mo, itong itsura niya, guys.
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Oh, Melo, you can go back there.
But I want to be on the camera.
And okay, let me show you guys. Ayan, ito na guys, meron na silang tigisang camera. Ayan. Kapag nag-aral sila, hindi sila mag-aagawan. Tapos tatawag na lang yung teacher nila sa online class nila. Ayan. How is it, Chloe? Do you like it? You like your own laptop?
Yeah.
You do?
Guys, look at me.
And how about you?
No, you have to get on behind me. So I can see.
Nice. And then, when it's time to learn, you have to listen to your teacher, remember?
I used to know my two teachers' names.
Yeah, you still remember?
Yes, I did.
Oh. Chloe is so happy. She will learn something from school, right, Chloe? From that computer?
Yeah. This is so cool.
It's cool. Nice. And Melo has his own charger also.
Yes.
Ayan, that one. This is his own. Okay, take it off from the plastic.
I know how to do it.
Oh, right. Okay. And you have to, yeah, put it together. Yeah, you gotta put it together. This one.
Yeah.
This one, Melo. You have to put it together, this one.
I know how to do.
Okay, do it.
The business is open.
The business is open?
Yeah. Whoever wants me to do whatever they want, come on, come here. Wow, nice.
Okay, now you have your own computer. What you have to do is listen to your teacher.
Whenever they call me.
Yeah.
Oh boy, how do I do this?
I don't need, Melo, you don't have to do that.
Why?
It's okay.
I never had this one.
Chloe, do you like your own laptop? Okay. Is it on, Melo? Is it on?
Oh, yes. Oh,
Okay,
wow.
it's turning on. Melo know how to use laptop because he already used my laptop the last year or the past school year. Pero si Chloe, iPad, cellphone lang yung nagamit niya. So this is her first time using ng using ng laptop. Pero
Ouch! It's mine.
yeah. What is that?
It's the protection of the computer.
Oh, I see.
And all the people put it on here.
Oh, I see.
And this is how you
Good
do it.
explanation, Melo.
I'm really good at these kind of computers.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you guys this.
Guys, let me get on.
Oh, ito, meron sila dito.
Guys, I have to get working on my computer, okay?
Yeah, it's just setup instruction.
Guys, I just need this in case.
Yeah, that's a charger, baby.
Can I borrow it just in case?
Yeah, that's your own, so you don't have to borrow that. That's your own.
Okay, I need to use it, okay?
Okay, and this is the setup instruction, guys.
Good.
Tapos,
Whoa!
ayan.
Super cool.
Yan.
Oh yeah, I know where it goes.
For touchpad or touchscreen. Oh, that laptop is, you can do the touchscreen, baby. It's a touchscreen also. Looks like, it's like,
Mommy.
it's like Daddy's laptop. It's also touchscreen. Yes, Chloe?
Mom, what? That means I'm on.
Okay, with the instruction.
Oh, guys, perfect. Apply.
Yeah, that's correct.
Can I put this somewhere?
No, remember, only adults can do that.
Okay, go ahead. Try it out.
How about please?
Okay, Mommy, could you please do it over there at where mini card is?
Okay.
It's long.
Chloe, you don't have to sit on your laptop.
It's silly. Let me see. Let me just see.
Check out.
Please, Mommy.
Ayan.
Yeah. Mommy, please.
Okay, I will. Oh, wait. It's a network. We need to. Oh, I see. Hold on.
Yeah, touchscreen.
Oh. We need the password for, for internet, guys. So, we need to set up this for the password. But anyway, ito yung itsura niya.
Can I set up anything I want?
No, this is for school, baby. Ayan siya.
Oh, you
It's a decent laptop. And I'm so happy, guys, na every kid has their own. Oh, no. You're gonna break the plastic. Oh, this is easy to use. Okay. Alright, Chloe. Ayan, naglaro na si Chloe.
Mommy, what's this?
It's just a protection, baby, for the laptop.
I know everything about these kind of... Look at my toe.
Let me see her laptop, please.
Let me just see two.
Yeah, you have two.
I want to work on
And you need to take care of it, okay?
Okay, I know how to work with me. You want to work?
Turn it on, Chloe.
It's on itself. And
Okay. Alright, guys. Ating i-ano lang siya. I-set up lang natin muna siya sa
Who's this?
internet. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, guys.
Whoa! Whoa! No, you can make the one I wear my shirt like that.
Alright, tapos na tayong i-connect sa internet yung kanilang laptop. Ngayon, ang hihintayin naman natin is meron silang code na galing sa school para maging maayos at magamit na itong kanilang laptop. So, ngayon, alright, for today is hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating vlog for today, and i-update ko kayo pag nabigyan na kami or nabigyan na yung kids ng code for their laptop. Alright, say bye to everyone.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. See you to the next video. That's crazy. Bye, crazy video.
Melo, I cannot see your face. There's so makulit, oh. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe na po kayo. Alright, bye, and thank you so much for everything, for watching. Bye, I love you guys.